Go.
It's, again, like, to do that, we almost need that, instead of the alley, it's like a green space, and then that green space needs to connect to something that opens up, and so it says like, yes, the new system access to nature, but there is a alley from your house that you don't have to walk to trail, walk to a park. Because otherwise, that feels like, if you have to go back there, you have to have immediate access to a public yard.
What is the tan space on the right side of the radio?
That's beach. You stay right where you are for like the few minutes that it takes me to tear this thing down. Oh, I'm welcome here tonight. It's okay, I'm gonna just get into it. How do you sit there?